time to keep your smile bright all year. Little polish, little care. Healthy teeth start everywhere. Every brush and every floss helps prevent what plaque can cost. Small steps every single day keep the Buildup far away. Open wide, we'll guide you through. Every step is done for you. Working gently, taking care, helping every smile repair. We're gonna shine together, one tooth at a time. Every little cleaning makes your whole smile shine. Working side by side, keeping every grin bright. Healthy smiles forever, we're doing it right. Oh, brighter every day. Oh, plaque goes away. Everybody's smiling now, that's what it's all about. Here comes the ultrasonic sound, breaking stubborn tartar down. Then the hand tools smooth each place. Careful moves with steady pace. Every corner, every side, nothing important gets too high. Taking time to do it well, helping every smile excel. Fresh and clean is what we see, building lifelong dentistry. Every visit helps us find healthy changes over time. We're gonna shine together, one tooth at a time. Every little cleaning makes your whole smile shine. Working side by side, keeping every grin bright. Healthy smiles forever, we're doing it right. Oh, brighter every day. Oh, plaque goes away. Everybody's smiling now, that's what it's all about. Brush in the morning, brush at night. Tiny habits make it right. Don't forget to floss each day, keeping Buildup far away. Visit every 6 months too, we'll be here to care for you. Healthy smiles never stop, every visit's one more step on top. Hey, clap your hands, brush and floss, that's the plan. Healthy smiles, big and small, working together. One and all, we're gonna shine together every single day. Healthy habits lead us to brighter smiles all the way. Doctors, hygienists, patients too, everybody